come with my husband and I as we go on a 24-hour trip to SLC. Starting bright and early with an overpriced breakfast, debt is the American way, and this trip was floated on a credit card and Alaska Airline miles. If you have zero debt, get an airline miles card. Commit to paying it off monthly. If you can't commit to staying within your budget, don't get trapped, but earn those points. So we're here, the Great Salt Lake, the Promised Land. But legit, Utah knows how to fund and invest in a good-looking airport.
Multi-level marketing scheme.
We stayed walking distance of the venue at the Element by Westin that had a great breakfast bar I did not document, but certainly enjoyed. We went on a walking tour of downtown SLC, and although not on the map, we discovered a memorial garden for the 442nd Regiment of Nisei soldiers. I'm really proud of the Go for Broke boys and gals. Then off to Temple Square, which had stunning architectural steeples. Really, religion used to know how to fund design and masonry. We didn't enter the temple as we didn't know what was appropriate, but had the opportunity to watch a small recital of one of the world's largest organs being played. After a break for French fries, we walked up to the Capitol building as indicated by the red circle earlier on the map. Matthew Lillard has a great monologue in SLC Punk that outlines the role of faith being tied to the state. It is an interesting historical aspect to Utah, especially as humanity, we come from all different religious backgrounds that should be recognized and respected. I do ponder a society that lets go of the idea of religious superiority or exclusivity, a daydream of a time when all humans are included in human rights, the collective benefits we all agree to be awarded as brethren of the same planet. The council hall was a pleasant surprise as I ate up the fiber art portraits of Utah's leaders of the suffragette movement. The first vote by a woman was cast on February 14th, and I appreciate how Mormonism positively helped to support the idea of equality of women in this context. Married ladies, don't forget your passport this summer. And here is the fit for the night, complete with my first and only pair of Docs purchased 20 years ago. We went to Lake Effect for dinner and was duped with my regular cocktail order, a dirty martini. If you want your dollar to go far in Utah, order off the cocktail menu, because I can say the espresso martini and sunset did not disappoint.
I forgot to put on my glitter, so I'm adding my glitter now.
The venue was a spacious warehouse that was pretty well ventilated, and sadly we missed out on picking up merch, but the show was incredible and everything my little punk rock heart needed. And so much respect and love to Amyl and the Sniffers for the safe space that they created for their audience and community. The next morning, we watched HGTV until we had to go to the airport, and it was a perfect serendipitous 24 hours.